Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to a almost perfect week. Today we are down a good amount, and I mean that in a good way. Let's hop over. Today we are down $5. Good red day. Good red day. Kept everything calm. Kept everything just in check. Market was slow this morning. I was up $12 and just gave it back on the same stock. So let's hop into it, shall we? The first stock I traded and only stock I traded today was AGMH. If I can type, or I can just click right here. Let's make it easy on ourselves. So yeah, it is up 235% today, but it is very choppy. And if we see right here, that's where I lost my money. This topping tail here on the 1 minute. But before we get into that, I did make money on it this morning. So let's hop over onto the 10-second chart. I made money on it right here. So this consolidation period, I bought in for this break on, I bought in, tried to get on in around 6 and just to break up to 7 or to 650, which it worked out slightly. I got $12 a profit and I gave some back up here. And I basically sat here all the way up until 820 for this move. Nothing was really popping up. VRCA hit the scanner and it just didn't look, it looked pretty ugly. Starting off, I don't know what it looks like right now. Yeah, still ugly. So it had these topping tails here on the 1 minute chart. And this 1 minute pullback was nice, but these were kind of a turn off. And then this red doji candle would actually make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. So it had a good, okay rally up. This 1 minute pullback worked out pretty well. But if we look at it closer, higher volume, slightly selling on these two pullback candles. And then nice break through that. But then a high volume doji candle. So that was kind of a no-go for me. And then, yeah, 815 AGMH or 820, whatever it was looking to get this pullback through 850. And I got in at 819. So I was looking for this. I got in on this little micro pullback here to try and break it up. And disregard. I got in up at 850. 845 trying to get this breakthrough 850 and it flushed down. So I was too aggressive on that. But I cut my loss and I got rid of, and I just took it on the chin. That is trading. Can't win them all. So yeah, we are 4-day green, 1-day red. I'll take that percentage, especially on a 5-day $5 loss. That is negligible at best. So yeah. Okay, so to finish off this week, I have been working on something that I would like to share with you guys. I've been working on making a newsletter to kind of, you sign up for it and you'll get, it's free, completely free. There's obviously nothing paid for it. I'm just trying to give out more information to help out people. So I'm going to go over my weekly recaps. I'm going to put in all my stats on TraderView and I'm going to share those. We're going to go over what I think the market condition is on the small cap market, what the rate cut has in store for the small cap market, and kind of just everything from the prior week. So it'll be kind of a weekly recap all tied into one. So yeah, sign up in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.